What's up, y'all? This is Traveling Eddie and we're going places. This is another vlog here in Guanajuato City in the state of Guanajuato in Mexico, and I'm doing the alleyway tour with you guys. I love it. It's something different. Down there you can see Mercado Hidalgo, that structure. The church is right before this church right here with the red top or whatever and the orangish color with red around it. And then right behind it, the bigger structure, that's Mercado Hidalgo, very famous for tourists. They got a lot of stuff there. So I'm walking down, and over there on the other side, but we can't see from here, is the statue of La Pipila. La Pipila. And this is Guanajuato. This is the historical center down there. And I'm up here in the alleyways, or higher up, or the favelas, as some people might call them, in Rio de Janeiro. So Guanajuato City is the big one. It goes beyond that hill towards the other side, that way, up this way, that way, and let's not touch the cables and get electrocuted while we're at it. And that's what I just did. So let's go down and continue. Remember, when you see this video, I'm not in Mexico anymore. This is already 2022 when you're watching this video, but right now it's still late October 2021. And I just want to show you some of the things around here, all these alleyways and all the magic they have, and they're pretty safe. Just make sure you know where you're going. And let me just pass by this loud music and all that, because we want to avoid those humdingers. And look at all the murals they have here all around these alleyways. You'll find them here and there, sometimes more, sometimes fewer, sometimes nothing. So look at all these houses. Wow, I'm gonna go down that alleyway. That looks beautiful. Look at all of this. This is beautiful. I mean, this is what the tourists usually don't come to see. And look at this beauty here with this rock painted like this and everything. And they got Guanajuato painted right there, in the statue of La Pipila right there, and the historic center, and then the conquistador knuckleheads and the mummy stuff and the tunnels and the little terraces and everything, in the fountain, all of it. And I think Mercado Hidalgo is right there represented, Teatro Juárez, all of that. So I'm thinking I'm gonna go down this way. Buenos días, ¿cómo está? Si yo bajo por este lado, encuentro cosas así de los callejones, o más bonito por este lado.
No, también por aquí están bonitos hacia abajo los callejones.
Ah, qué bueno, sí, porque estoy haciendo un video en inglés para mostrar callejones, algo diferente para los turistas.
Sí, es algo parecido a lo que aquí vio.
Sí.
Sí, hacia abajo está.
Ah, bueno. Muchas gracias, muy chido. Hasta luego. Very nice person. He told me I could go down this way as well and find a lot of pretty things like I did coming down from this alleyway up here. That's what I wanted to show you guys. So if you guys are already liking a little bit of what I'm showing you, remember, hit the like button down below. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do subscribe, ladies and gentlemen. It helps us. It's for free on YouTube. Any YouTuber you like, hit the subscribe button for that YouTuber, gal or guy. All right? And also remember to share with your friends this stuff, and leave comments down below, because that's the way we grow. Thank y'all. Let's continue. And look at this. I mean, I love exploring, and this is a nice exploration. The guy, I got a good vibe from the old man, and cool. So let's continue exploring. I feel like, well, this is Mexico. Mexico is Mexico, and it's beautiful. I feel like I'm in India. That's why I love this part. I mean, I love Mexico. There are many places that don't seem like it's India, period. I keep mentioning India, kind of like some of the people mention Russia, former Soviet Union, or Japan, or whatever. I'm mentioning India because I love India. It looks beautiful. Hola, buenos días.
Buenos días.
So let's keep onward. Look at this. I mean, it's just amazing. Have a Coke and a smile. There's just a lot to see, but I'm gonna keep going downward because I don't want to break out any more sweats. I had to stop for like 10 minutes and catch, not my breath, but catch a lot of wind. I had to take off my t-shirt so I could just dry up because I was getting all hot and sweaty. Take out your friends in the trash or you don't get your spending cash. Tell your hoodlum friends, you know what's up. Buenas, ¿cómo están? Either camera shy or out of breath. Look at this door. Wow. Look at these alleyways. I mean, tell me if it's not like India. Tell me if I'm wrong. Some parts of India, you know, like Jodhpur or maybe some other places like, what is it, Jodhpur, that have all those hills. Look at this beautiful mural here. And the colors. Guanajuato is a World Heritage Site by UNESCO. In case you didn't know, now you know. Wow. And this is all on the GoPro camera. I'm doing this. The dude, El Arriero, with his donkey carrying things, just like in Colombia, in Medellin, Antioquia, El Eje Cafetero, the coffee access zone in Colombia. In case you don't know, I am Colombian American, born and raised in the good old US of A, and lived in Colombia as an adult for 23 years, and I love Colombia. I love the US, I love India, I love Mexico, and wherever I'm going next in the future, I hope to feel a lot of love from them places. So I was telling a story in the previous vlog about these alleyways while I was walking through the alleyways in the previous vlog, that I'm in Colombia now. You got that story. And why am I back there? Wow, look at this, cool. Oh, I know where I'm at now. I'm in Guanajuato City. I went back to Colombia for many reasons, and I just gotta save money. That's why I'm in Colombia now. Not when you're not. This video is here in Mexico City, in Guanajuato. So I'm gonna look for another alleyway that I saw up this way, so I can explore all that. And now we're in the historical center. If you go that way, I think you go to the Guanajuato, Universidad de Guanajuato. And if we're going this way, we're going to the Alhóndiga Plaza, a little plaza. I went 2 nights ago and I caught a very nice folkloric ballet. Let me stay in the shade. Hotel Casa de Toboso. There are many hotels here. You don't have to make a reservation, guys. You really don't. You don't have to make any reservations on Airbnb. You can just arrive here and walk around until you find a place you feel the vibe for. Now this is another one I wanted to go up through, and another one over there. So let's check out this one. I've walked by here like 4 times already, 5 or more, and I wanted to record this, so let's go. But I'm feeling a little flush because I've been sick, so I gotta save money while I'm in Colombia now. Not right now. Right now I'm in Guanajuato. But like I said, it's already 2022 when you're watching this, and I gotta save a lot of money because I need to go. I'm looking for it to be possible in October, November of this year to be in India. I don't know how long I could be there for and still keep working online and teaching my classes, my English language classes. But I need that Ayurvedic detox therapy for 2 weeks in Rishikesh. I really do. At least that's how I feel right now at this moment that I'm walking. And I've been here. I've been quite. Hola. Buenos días. Haven't been feeling pretty spunky or spiffy for a long time. I've had a few days where I felt pretty good, but most of the time I felt offline, off. And why? Take your pick. I'm not even going to get into the reasons anymore because I don't know. It's just a fact that I am. Nah. And I write it in my diary just to remember, because we as humans have such short memory spans that we don't remember anything. And then we keep committing the same mistakes again, or thinking everything is totally good. But no, I've been writing it in my diary, my little journal. And I wrote it this morning that I gotta make it to my beautiful India, to all you beautiful people there, the beautiful cultures, the languages, the food, the vegetarian food, the temples, the Shanti, the Shakti. So I gotta make it back and go to Rishikesh and get my Ayurvedic treatment for 2 weeks, and then travel to other places before returning to Colombia again, because Colombia is my home base. I love Colombia. I love Medellin. I love Envigado. I love Rio Negro. I love Envigado, especially Envigado, right next to Medellin. Usually most tourists skip Envigado because of whatever reasons, because there are not enough logs or vloggers vlogging in Envigado and showing how cool it is to be there, and much quieter. And right next to Medellin, you just catch a bus and you're in El Poblado, depending on what part of Envigado you're in terms of the town part. You're in town again in El Poblado in about 15 to 20 minutes max by bus if there's no heavy traffic. Let's see, let's go find another alleyway that we can explore. I mean, this place has so much culture, has so much to do here in Guanajuato City that I think I have enough places here for alleyway videos, vlogs, walking and talking, jive, walking, jive, talking, vlogs. This place at Conquistador Coffee right here, the Conquistador Coffee Shop, that place is awesome. They got vegan burgers and vegan things. Let me see what's up to them, because I came here the other day and all of that. Hola, ¿cómo están? Bien, gracias. No veo a Fabián por aquí hoy. A esta hora no. Fabián. Bueno, no, yo estuve aquí el otro día y comí una hamburguesa vegana. Quería saludarlos. Gracias, hasta luego. Yeah, they have baguettes. Aquí todo es vegano, ¿no? Nada de carne y eso. Excelente. Gracias. Aquí un video que estoy haciendo para YouTube en inglés. Hasta luego. So this is the name of the place, Café Conquistador. I was here the other day, and you can check it out. There are 3 of them here in Guanajuato, 3 of them, but this one is the one I came to. So you gotta check it out. And there's another alley right there, so I'm gonna go up that alley right there. People here are pretty respectful in general, but don't take my word for it. Don't just jump out in front of a car. Put up your hand like they do in India. So that coffee shop there, that cafe, vegan. For those of you who are vegan, I'm a vegetarian. Vegan, right there. I ate a vegan burger the other day. It was delicious. And there's a coffee, latte, and all of that, but vegan style. Crocodile. And the bells are ringing. This is a steep walk. I just don't want to do that much climbing right now because, like I said, I've been feeling ill for the last 10 days. I didn't say that part before, but let's go slow. And I just don't want to drain myself. But I'm gonna go right there because it looks so narrow and beautiful. Kind of like El Callejón del Beso on the other side here in the historical center, where the kissing alley, where couples go and get selfies taken or get a picture taken while they're kissing. It has a whole history to it. Look it up on the internet, or even some Google it. Some YouTubers might have done a video about that. I haven't really done it per se, but I should do one explaining what it is like and the history behind it. I guess I will. Wow, look at this. Amazing. I'm forgetting that I'm sick a little bit right now. Just recovering. This is awesome. Awesome. Let's go this way a little more, and then we go back down. Because I'm running out of Sputnik power. That's somebody's home, so I can't cross through there. Look at how beautiful it is. And the doggy just told me, make sure you don't cross. Hey kid, how you doing? Hola. So let's go back. Hey doggy, I love you too. Bye-bye doggy, bye-bye Poochie. Om Shanti, 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 Om. So let's go back down. And I'm already breaking up a little sweat again, breaking out a little sweat. And let me see how long we are into this video, about 15 minutes. There's a nice breeze coming up right here. I'm gonna tell you guys, remember to give it a like, share this on your social media networks. Hey, leave comments down below. I'm feeling a little flushed, not blushed, flushed. It's an expression we have in American English, older English, maybe not the young people are using it now, but flushed, or flush means out of energy, like low on E, running on empty in terms of gasoline tank. For me, because I've been sick. So share it on your social media networks, on WhatsApp with your friends, family members, whatever, people that you think might be interested in this. And I'm just gonna chill here for a moment, and maybe I'm already making some good ducats, as my little brother says. Ducats meaning dollars, money, off of this, and I can finance my trips like Gabriel Traveler. But Gabriel Traveler, it has taken a long time, but everybody's different, you know. Some people take a long time to get to a good zone in terms of making a living off being a travel vlogger, and continue to do that and show people beautiful places around the world like Gabriel Traveler. And some people become overnight successes. Some people might take a year or two, but Gabriel Traveler is almost at 500,000 subscribers and already getting more like 30,000 to 40,000 views per video after 1 week and all that, and I'm happy for him. And then Benjamin Jenks. What's up, Benjamin? Use the force, Luke. Use the force, Benjamin, Benjamino. And Benjamino has been on YouTube for a long time now, but he finally found his spot in India, and now, at least when I made this video, as I'm making this video today in October 2021, he's at 52,000 subscribers or something. I'm happy for you. So I'm gonna chill here, and if you like what I'm doing, give me a shout out down below in the comment section. Say, yo, Eddie, what you doing? I love what you're doing. Keep going, buddy. Keep on trucking. One of those expressions, or any expression you love doing. So this is Traveling Eddie, and we're going places. Bye, y'all. I'm going to rest up and then go get something that I need for my stomach that won't kill my stomach. Some kefir with yogurt with probiotics, super low on sugar or no sugar, and some oatmeal. Bye.